Today, I'll be talking about Dr. Rachel Vera's research on disfluency features, like pausers, fillers, and false starts, and bilingual Spanish-English speech. Her study redefines how we understand these so-called mistakes and explore what they reveal about bilingual identity and awareness. Vera's study looks at flags, which are features like pauses, fillers, and false starts in bilingual speech. She interviewed bilingual speakers from diverse Latin American backgrounds in New York City, showing how Spanish dialects vary like British versus American English. This sample gave Vera both language diversity and social variation. Each speaker had a different relationship with Spanish and English, allowing her to see how fluency affected flagging behavior. The participants were drawn from the Ogothai and Zentella corpus. These interviews were taken between 2000 and 2005 in New York City. Included in this study were 113 bilingual speakers from 6 different countries, and in order to qualify, you had to be born in the United States or arrived before age 3, or later with strong English skills. She analyzed natural bilingual speech for hesitation and repair. Pauses and fillers were studied contextually, how bilinguals used them when switching or choosing words. Vera wanted to know if hesitation really means uncertainty or if it signals linguistic awareness. Hypothesis 1 included flagging shows awareness of using the other language, and Hypothesis 2 stated flagging shows a word isn't part of local Spanish lexicon, and the goal of these hypotheses were to understand the social meaning of disfluency. Over 90% of bilingual speech showed no flagging, suggesting bilinguals are just as fluent as monolinguals. Only 8 to 9% of English origin phrases were used, and 91% were fluent who were non-normal monolingual range, which means that flagging does not equal proficiency. English dominant speakers flagged more, likely to show awareness, like signaling, "I know this isn't Spanish." Some key findings were that flagging was more frequent near English origin words. English dominant speakers flagged more, approximately 10.5%, than Spanish dominant, approximately 6.6%. So this means flagging does equal social awareness, not confusion. Speakers flagged words that felt less integrated, showing awareness of what counts as real Spanish or English. Some more key findings were that shared words flagged 4.9%, non-shared or unique words flagged 14%, less familiar words were more likely to be flagged. So that means flagging marks foreignness, not error. This study shows hesitation can be meaningful, reflecting identity, awareness, not linguistic failure. This study reframed disfluency as social, not cognitive weakness. It highlighted identity, awareness, and audience. It challenged linguistic deficit thinking, as well as empirically testing bilingual hesitation. Vera's study reframed bilingual hesitation as a strategic and meaningful part of communications. Some takeaways I found from this writing was that flags revealed awareness, not incompetence. Bilingualism involves strategy and not error. And it's also nice because this was methodologically rigorous and socially insightful. And it also challenged the stereotypes of broken English.